Group events are one-to-many, in which there is a single host and multiple invitees. Example of group events are school or college classes, webinars, or consulting sessions. DaySchedule provides three types of events. First is one-on-one, second is round-robin, and third is group. In this video tutorial, I'll be talking about the group events and how you can create a group event with DaySchedule. To create a group event, first you need to select it by using the select button here. And on this screen, you have to provide the detail for the event, like the name of the event. I'm taking an example of yoga class, so I'm writing yoga session here. You can give more information about your event in the description field. Then you can choose a color for the event. And in the location field, you can provide where this yoga class will be held. You can choose a web communication platform like Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Team, etc. Or you can create a custom location by clicking on this link. Over here, you can provide the physical location, that is yoga studio, and give the studio address here and click on the save. So this is how you can create a custom location. For this video, I'm selecting Google Meet. Next, you can provide the owner. Owner can be you, or you can create an event for your other teammate, which you can select by using the drop down here. So I'm selecting my other teammate here. Next, you can provide the maximum spots for the yoga class. Let's say you are giving yoga to only 10 students at a time, then you can write 10 here. And you can even choose whether you want to specify whether you want to show the remaining spots on your main scheduling page by using this checkbox. Now click on the next button here. Over here, you can provide the duration for the yoga class. Normally, yoga classes are for 1 hour, so I'm selecting 1 hour here. And in the date range, you can specify for how many days you want this yoga event to be booked by your students. I'm selecting any date into the future here. And in the next section, you can provide your yoga schedule. You can create a new schedule by clicking on the new schedule button here. And you can give the yoga classes name here as a schedule and click on save. Or you can choose a schedule which is already created. I'm selecting the default schedule here, and I can provide the different time slots by using the time slots provided here. Let's say I'm giving the yoga classes only on Tuesday and Wednesday, then I can deselect other days here, and I can even choose whether I want to give the yoga session in the morning and in the evening, and I can choose the different time slots for morning and evening session. Let's say on Tuesday, I am giving yoga morning session starting from 6 to 11. So this is the morning session, and I can create an evening session by using this plus button here. And over here, I can give the evening session timings. Let's say my evening session starts from 5 and goes till 8. So this is how you can create different time slots for different sessions. Next, you can even choose to take a break between yoga classes. You can choose the break before each yoga class or after each yoga class using these two fields. I'm just taking a break before each yoga class, and I'm selecting 5 minutes here. Next, day schedule even provides an option where you can provide your minimum scheduling notice period. I want at least 60 minutes, so I'm selecting 60 minute here. Now click on the next. Over here, you can use the invitee questions to know more information about your student. Your student need to fill these questions before they book a yoga session with you. Let's say you want to know whether the student is completely beginner or not. Then you can write the question here. Then you can choose the answer type. Answer type can be text, date, number, multi-line text, checkbox, radio, etc. So I'm selecting checkbox here. Now I have to give the options. You can even choose whether you want this question to be mandatory or not by using this checkbox. Now click on the add button and it will be added on your scheduling page. So this is how it will look like on your scheduling page. You can even delete few of the questions by using this cross sign. Next, you can accept the payment from your students by using the accept payment option provided by DaySchedule. DaySchedule provide three options: Razorpay, Stripe, and PayPal to collect the payment. And in the next field, you can even allow your guests to attend a yoga class by using the checkbox. Here, you can specify the maximum number of guests allowed. Let's say you want only two guests, then give the number here. With day schedule, you can also create your event policies. To create a policy, you have to click on the add policy and you can choose the type of the policy. But I'm creating a cancellation policy here. So I've choose cancellation policy and this is the default number for the cancellation policy. You can give your number according to your requirement. You can even create multiple policies by clicking on the add policy here. Let's say you want to create refund policy too, then click on the refund policy and give the number here. So this is how you can create your policies with the day schedule for the event. Day schedule also provide an option where you can specify whether your event type is public or private. If you select a private, then your event will not be shown on your main scheduling page, which you have created with day schedule. To show it to the all your students on the main scheduling page, you have to select it as public here. Now click on the finish button and you have successfully created an event for the yoga session. So this is the URL which you can share with all your students by using this copy URL button here. So I'll show you how the main scheduling page will look like by clicking on this link. So this is the main scheduling page over here. Your yoga students can choose a specific day and time to book a yoga class with you. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to our channel to learn more about product features and upcoming updates. Thank you.